Hi guys, in this video I would like to talk about TypeScript 5.2 beta. In the Microsoft blog you could see the new features which come in new version of TypeScript, which currently in beta. There are a couple major updates. It's using keyword and decorators metadata. So by using this command you could install TypeScript beta to try those features. But today I would like to talk about the first item, using declaration and explicit resource management. So for me this is the most important thing and it will be really cool. So this feature came from .NET and C#. This feature present there for a while, for I don't know how many years. This feature is quite useful and handy, so I think it will be really cool to have it in JavaScript and TypeScript. So let me show you some examples which I've prepared. So basically, new keyword using will allow us to dispose anything with a simple dispose function when it leaves the scope. So basically here the concept how it could be implemented. So we will introduce our getResource function, which we'll have inside our symbol dispose, and inside we will do our cleanup logic, and this is how we could use it. Yeah, currently it's complaining because I did not install its beta version of TypeScript in this folder, so never mind. Basically, this keyword is based on the JavaScript proposal, which is currently in stage 3 and will be released soon. So basically, it's also, we could say, in public beta. So this is how our resource description could look like, just like symbol dispose. And also we could implement same approach for asynchronous operations. We could use symbol async dispose. For example, if we need to clean up, I don't know, database connection, or we are working with file asynchronously and we need to, I don't know, close it or something else. For example, we are working with temporary file, we need to send some logs and then remove the file or something like that. And yeah, we could using keyword with await. And let's talk about use cases a little bit. I prepared a small example how it could look like in case of database connection. So as I said, this keyword came from C# and in .NET world it's common case when we are using keyword with database connections and similar things. So without using, our logic could look like this. So we have our connection, then we are using try catch or try finally in this case, when we do not handling exceptions for some reason, never mind. So we are doing some useful things inside tried, and in finally scope, after when our work done within connection, then we need to close it, and in finally block we will close our database connection. Basically, with using keyword, it could look like this. We will implement our get connection function. Our connection will be inside a synchronous function, and we return our symbol async dispose. And inside this function we will close the connection, and usage could be like so. We have our scope. It's very important because This pose will be called when our logic will leave the scope. We initialize our database connection using keyword. Yeah, sorry for such tricky explanation. Yeah, then we will do some useful stuff with our connection, and we do not need to close our connection. When execution will leave the scope, connection automatically will be closed. So really excited to see this feature in production. It will simplify a lot of things, and our code will be more elegant and more handy, I would say, because in such way we will have much more stable code, and there would not be some tricky stuff with try catch finally when somebody did not close the connection, or close this connection earlier or something like that. Our code will be much more cleaner and much more reliable, from my opinion. So I will leave the link for Microsoft blog in description below. Please double check, and there will be also a lot of code snippets with the explanation, and yeah, all features are described, so definitely check. Also, do not forget to connect to our Discord channel. There I post all useful links for the libraries, for the news and things like that. And definitely I will extend other topics. So I hope in the future we will have very nice community in the Discord. So definitely subscribe to our new channel in the Discord. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.